We see that the mostly marriages are in crisis, irrespective of religion. The rate of divorce are increasing. Marital conflict has the ability to destroy a couple and push them to a heartbreaking divorce. Satan is the best destroyer of the marriages and hates the married couple the most. He causes doubts between them and make them realize that there is no way out. Satan is the happiest one when he separates a loving couple and see as its biggest achievement. People live in anxiety and fear who listen to Satan's whisperings instead of Allah's commandments. We must remember the Prophet Muhammad saying, of all the lawful act, the most hated to Allah is divorce. Here are some beautiful tips for a healthy marriage life. Fear Allah. Do not doubt on each other. Never be angry at the same time. If one has to win the argument, let it be the other. Never shout on each other unless the house is on fire. If you have to criticize, do it lovingly. Never bring up the mistakes of the past. Never sleep with an unsettled argument. At least once a day, express your gratitude to your spouse. When you have done something wrong, admit it and ask forgiveness. Couples should be aware that they are the same at the time of marriage, but the Satan has made conflict between them. Remember, there are no fights that can't be solved. When you feel like that something is not going right, never jump to the conclusion and separate from each other. At the end, pray to Allah for the well-being and the successful marriage life. You will notice the increased love between the couples. If you are angry today from your spouse or you are planning a divorce, just rethink. Do not let Satan win.